Here's my shit, something I shoot. Today we're gonna have the second episode of Cooking with Nijfue. So today we're making spicy hummus sauce. What is spicy hummus sauce? It is a combination of peri-peri spice mix, of hummus, and of mayonnaise. But not plain mayonnaise. We're gonna have burger mayonnaise. I'll explain that in a second. So basically, it's all the first ingredient, that is burger mayonnaise. Sorry, the construction sound over there. Okay. Second is peri-peri spice mix. It's from McDonald's because I don't eat spicy. Third is hummus. This is Wingreen's Farms original olive hummus. I would recommend you guys to get classic hummus because it tastes 100 times better with classic hummus. I mean, I've not tasted it, so it might be bad, it might be good. Let's see it. So let's see how to make this, and in the end, we're gonna try it out with some Lebanese bread, pita bread. So let us see what and how I'm gonna make. So the first thing that we need is a bowl and a spoon. Actually, 2 spoons. I think I'm gonna remove the second spoon. 2 spoons because of, you need to take a. Okay, I think. Yeah. So 1 spoon required because we can just pour this out. If you have a bottle, I would recommend 2 spoons. If you don't, just if you don't have a bottle and you have a squeezy, just squeeze it out. So first thing we gotta do is, I have less mayonnaise here, so gotta take this out. Yep, this is how much mayonnaise I have. We're not gonna use all of it, so we're gonna pour a little bit. And if you're doing this for the first time, please follow the recipe. After that, you can try it out any style you want. I'm using burger mayonnaise because it gives that red, red color, and it makes it look good. So, okay. I think this much mayonnaise is enough. Then we add 1 teaspoon of hummus. You take the hummus, take 1 teaspoon. Beware, the hummus is pretty oily, and you put it in this. This is what you will get in the start. I recommend classic hummus, as I said before. And before you mix it, okay, you put peri-peri spice mix. So you shake it up a bit. I'm not a spicy type of guy. I don't like spicy, so I'm gonna put a little bit, but according to your taste, you can put how much of spicy you want. Let's just cut this out. Cool. Okay. So this is open, and we put. Okay. That's how much spiciness I'm gonna put. This is just the peri-peri spice mix. So we are gonna mix it now. Mix it thoroughly so that everything, you don't get a color like this, and then chunks of spice mix. And then you just shake. You mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, so I mix it for about a minute, and this is what it look like. Oh, that's drippy. So now to taste this, we're gonna use pita bread because with Lebanese food sauce, I have to go with Lebanese bread. So let us taste it. Let us try the spicy hummus sauce that we just made. I know this is a pretty short episode because basically no freezing, no frying, and no cooking. Freezing and frying is out of this, shot. So we're gonna take the pita bread. Before we taste it, new invention, oregano. I've not tried this with oregano, so we are gonna put a little bit of it. I thought the show was about to end. Okay. So we're gonna put really little, this much, 1 shake of oregano, and you mix it. Okay. And make sure you get it everywhere. and then you mix it, you mix it, and then you mix it, keep on mixing it. So we mix it about for 15 seconds. Let's taste it now. We have taste ready. We're gonna take it and we're gonna eat it. Good. So if you want to try this recipe at home, make sure you subscribe, and for more recipes, you subscribe. And if you have made this recipe, make sure you tag me on my Instagram at Nijfue, so I can see how it looks. Might look better than me. It is, like, yeah. It'll look better than this. I'm not focused on presentation, I'm focused on taste. Let me continue. Now I'm gonna eat this, and you guys subscribe. And this is the second episode of Cooking with Nijfue. See ya. Peace out. Look at the way this is like cold, and literally smoke is coming out of it, and you know, it's not that pretty cold. Smoke is coming out. I don't think the camera can capture it, but yeah, it's fine.